Tired of bidding wars? Let's uncover a hidden gem in the real estate market: pre-foreclosures, and I'll show you how to find them using Zillow. First, head over to Zillow.com. In the search bar, type in the city or neighborhood you're interested in investing in. Once you've entered your desired location, make sure you've selected the buy option at the top of the page. It's usually selected as a default. Now, we need to refine our search. Click on the More button, which will open up Zillow's advanced filter options. Scroll down until you see the keywords search bar. This is where the magic happens. In the keywords box, type in foreclosure. This will sift through listings and show you properties that mention foreclosure-related terms in their descriptions. Now Zillow will display properties where the listing agent has mentioned something about foreclosure, auction, or related terms in the property description. Keep in mind that Zillow doesn't have a dedicated pre-foreclosure filter, which is why this method is so useful. Carefully review the property descriptions. Look for phrases like potential foreclosure, subject to auction, or bank account possible. These keywords can indicate a pre-foreclosure situation. Remember to do your due diligence. Contact the listing agent to confirm the property's status and gather as much information as possible. Finding pre-foreclosures on Zillow takes a little digging, but it's a great way to potentially find motivated sellers and off-market deals. Good luck.